several aspirants find it very difficult to qualify the CSAT paper. And one of the primary reason of their failure is that they neither know the syllabus nor the most important topics of CSAT paper. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the syllabus of CSAT paper prescribed by UPSC and the most important topics of the CSAT paper that you must do if you want to qualify the CSAT paper with flying colors. So what is the syllabus given by UPSC? So as you know, UPSC comes with notification. In that notification, syllabus for all the papers are given. And there you will find this is the syllabus given by UPSC for the CSAT paper. 7 pointers. Right? 7 pointers UPSC has given you as CSAT syllabus. So first is comprehension, then interpersonal skills including communication skills, then logical reasoning and analytical ability, then decision making and problem solving, then general mental ability, then basic numeracy and data interpretation. Right? For the simplification purpose, what we do, we classify these 2 topics under English. These 2 topics, logical reasoning and decision making, under reasoning, and the rest 3 topics, general mental ability, basic numeracy and DI, under mathematics. Right? And most of the questions in the CSAT paper are asked from this mathematics part. Roughly 25 questions you can get from English part, from reasoning 15 to 20 questions, and rest of the questions you are going to get from the mathematics part. It can be somewhere around 35 to 40. Depends on the year in which you are appearing. So this is the syllabus given by UPSC. Now, in this syllabus, what are the topics that you must prepare? Right? If you want to get a very good score, or you can say at least the qualifying score in CSAT paper, there is no logic or there is no merit in topping the CSAT paper. CSAT में आप कितने भी marks ले आओ, doesn't matter. You have to get just the qualifying marks. So accordingly, you have to do the preparation for this paper. So in the CSAT, if you will see the quant part, that is your mathematics. So these 10 topics you must do. Every year you will find question from these topics. Right? This will be like, if from mathematics 40 questions are asked, then from these topics only 30 questions will be there. And in these 10 topics, number system, permutation and combination are the most important topics. सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस यहीं से आने वाले हैं एग्जाम में. राइट? सो नंबर सिस्टम, परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन, क्वांट बेस्ड रीजनिंग. This is something that is a very unique topic that you have to prepare. Then data interpretation and data sufficiency. Now you are not getting questions from data interpretation, but you are getting questions from data sufficiency. So these 4 topics, number system, PNC, quant based reasoning and data sufficiency, major chunk of the CSAT paper comes from these 4 topics as far as the mathematics part is concerned. Then time and work, percentage and profit and loss, mensuration and geometry, age, problem on age and average you will find, ratio and proportion you have to prepare, and time, speed and distance. So as the topics are given, accordingly you have to give the priority. सबसे पहले हमें number system को prepare करना है, then prime permutation and combination, then the rest of the topic. Right? So all these topics are written based on the weightage that UPSC assigned to these topics in the examination. So accordingly in sequence you have to prepare. आपको सबसे ज्यादा टाइम नंबर सिस्टम, परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन, डाटा सफिशिएंसी, क्वांट बेस्ड रीजनिंग को देना है, एंड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द टॉपिक यू कैन allocate टाइम, डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. अगर मान लो टाइम एंड वर्क आपको समझने में डिफिकल्टी आ रही है, सो यू कैन स्किप दैट, कुछ और उसकी जगह प्रिपेयर कर लो. राइट? या फिर इफ यू हैव एनफ टाइम तो ज्यादा समय उसे साइन कर दो. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, बट द फर्स्ट 4 टॉपिक्स शुड गेट मोस्ट ऑफ योर टाइम. सबसे ज्यादा आपको टाइम इन 4 टॉपिक्स पे देना है. नाउ कम टू रीजनिंग पार्ट. सो 8 टॉपिक्स फ्रॉम द रीजनिंग section are again most important. every year 1 or 2 questions you can get from these topics. Like syllogism, clock and calendar se to must hai, you will get 1 question. It can be 2 also, right? Puzzles and sitting arrangements, blood relation and direction sense, from there also 1 or 2 question you can expect in the examination. Then coding and decoding, again you can expect. Number and letter series, this is something that is very often asked by the UPSC. Cube and dice, you may get or you may not get, right? So same thing, based on the weightage given by UPSC to the topics in the examination, these topics are listed down here. So accordingly you have to prepare. English का क्या है? In English all the questions are asked in the comprehension form. आपको they will give you 1 paragraph and based on that they will ask you certain questions. So there you don't need to do any sort of specific preparation. General preparation of English subject will be suffice. Now how we can help you, right? How we can help you to to help you to clear the CSAT paper. So we have certain products, certain courses that can be very beneficial for you. So first is the foundation course, CSAT foundation course. So this course is very well designed based on the latest pattern of UPSC. So in this course you will get 100+ hours of live class. So that will give you a comprehensive coverage of all the topics from mathematics, reasoning and English. Then handouts and PPT you will get. Handouts will be very, very comprehensive and that will be very beneficial for you when you are revising your concepts, right? Then DPP sheets. So whatever you are learning in the class, it is very important that you use that knowledge or you apply that knowledge to solve certain question based on that topic. So for that DPP sheets will be given. In that very well designed questions are given, so you can solve and better prepare yourself for the CSAT paper. One-on-one mentorship you will get with the faculty. So you can whenever you are having any doubt or kuch bhi problem you are facing related to CSAT, you can contact me, you can get in touch with me. I will definitely help you out with all kind of resources, right? Whatever you need. Then formula sets that you will get, this will be very beneficial. Exams mein sometimes what happens, when you apply the formula you can get the answers within seconds. So for that we will give you topic wise formula. Shortcut tricks you will learn over the course of this whole class. Over the course of this CSAT foundation program, you are going to learn certain shortcut tricks that will be beneficial for you in the examination. Now whatever the things that you have learned, you need something to test your learnings. आपने जो सीखा है कहीं तो टेस्ट करोगे ना. For that we have designed a test series for you. So 8 sectional tests and 4 full length tests you will get as part of CSAT foundation course. Then comprehensive test discussion you will also get of all these 8 sectional and 4 full length tests. So this is all about the foundation course. So if you are new to this CSAT preparation, this course is must for you. You should definitely try this course. You can talk to our counselor and you can inquire more about this course. They will help you out with all such details. Now come to this advanced course. So someone who is good in mathematics but he feels that he need a kind of revision, कुछ revisions की जरूरत है. So for them we have CSAT advanced course. In this you will get 30+ hours of live class, right? 20+ hours of recorded PYQ. So PYQ class that you will get, it covers the PYQs of not only UPSC CSAT paper but of CDS and CAPF. So that will basically give you better idea about the mindset of UPSC कि UPSC questions कैसे frame करती है, कहाँ से पूछती है. So you will get better clarity after watching this recorded course. Then segregated PYQ you will get of CSAT, CDS and CAPF. So more questions you will solve that are asked by the UPSC. So you can better prepare yourself. So that is the reason we will give you this. Class notes and PPT you will get anyway. Worksheet you will get for daily practice. So whatever you are learning, it's very important that you apply your learnings, right? To check whether you have really learned or you really understood that concept or not. Then one-on-one mentorship anyway you will get. Practical enrichment document and the quick result manual is something that you are going to get as part of our CSAT advanced program. Next comes the CSAT test series. So what is this test series is all about? So in this test series, you will get 8 sectional tests and 4 full length tests. So suppose if you have already prepared for CSAT, you have taken foundation course from somewhere, but now you want to check whether you are prepared for the actual CSAT paper or not. Okay? So for that you can go for test series. 8 sectional and 4 full length tests will be given to you, and this test series will be very beneficial for you in the sense that questions that will be given as part of this test series are very well designed, very well curated based on the latest pattern of CSAT paper. Right, so that will basically prepare you to tackle the difficulty of the CSAT paper. You will be better prepared beforehand. Then solution and analysis you will get, like though you have got a good marks in CSAT test series, still after discussion you will get better clarity how you could have improved or how you could have done better. Right? Suppose you have got very good marks, 100, 120 you are getting, still there are always a scope for improvement. So that you can do only after watching the analysis and the solution thing. Then test discussion will be there. Questions are on the latest pattern, and it will give you the comprehensive coverage of the UPSC syllabus. So all such areas which are relevant from exam point of view will be covered in our test series. The last one is CSAT PYQ course. So what is this? So this course is, the theme of this course is 3C, CSE, CDS and CAPF. So the PYQ of last 10 years, PYQ of these examination you will get. So the underlying idea of this course is to equip you with the concepts. So 200 most important concept you will get as part of CSAT PYQ course. So learning the concept is very important, right? Once you have learned the concept, you can easily solve the question. So 200 concept, based on this concept 2 or 3 questions will be solved on every concept. मान लो एक concept मैंने बताया, and on that concept 2 questions from PYQ you have solved, and I will give you the rest of the question to you to solve. अब सारे solutions मान लो मैं ही कर दूं, right? So what you will do? आपने कुछ सीखा या नहीं, that you can only only check when you will solve questions on your own. So that is the reason we will give you the solution plus unsolved paper, right? Unsolved paper. So roughly we have 2000 questions of PYQ of all these examination combined, CSE, CDS and CAPF. So in this 2000 I will solve, right? You will get the solution of 500 questions and rest 1500 questions you have to solve on your own, जिससे कि आपको भी एक clarity मिले कि whether you are prepared to tackle the difficulty of CSAT or not. आपकी preparation कितनी हुई है. So for that we will give you this thing. So topics plus solution of PYQ segregated. We will also give you formula set that will help you to get the quick result in the examination. So topic wise formula set you will get. Then shortcut tricks. So in this course you will also learn shortcut tricks. So while solving the questions, I have ensured that I gave you I have taught you alternate way of doing the same question. See, if a question is given to you, either you can do it by formal process or formal way, or there are certain questions where you can apply the shortcuts. So in this recorded class you will also learn the shortcuts that will be helpful for you when you solve such questions in the examination. मान लो same pattern से, same concept से you encounter a question in the examination, you just left with 5 minutes, or you have to solve 5 to 10 questions. अब at least 2-3 questions so you can do not within 5 to 6 minutes. If you only you can do if you know the shortcut tricks. So कुछ these type of shortcuts you are going to learn as part of CSAT PYQ course. So that is all about the CSAT products that we have, and in this way we can help you. If you want more information related to any of our course, or you are interested in joining any of our courses, you can reach out to these numbers. They will help you with all sort of details. You can also join our YouTube channel if you want more content related to UPSC CSE preparation. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.